Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring how AI-powered design tools like Figma and its plugins can help streamline your design workflow and boost your productivity. Figma is a collaborative design tool widely used by UI/UX designers. What makes it even more powerful is its AI-powered features and an extensive range of plugins that automate tasks, improve efficiency, and enhance creativity. One of the key features is auto layout, where AI helps you create responsive designs that adapt to different screen sizes automatically. This saves a lot of time by eliminating the need to adjust every element manually. There are also AI plugins, such as remove.bg for background removal, Figma Chat for real-time collaboration, and Magician to generate illustrations, icons, and components using AI. These plugins help automate repetitive tasks, allowing designers to focus on creativity. AI in Figma also enhances design consistency by providing smart suggestions for typography, color schemes, and spacing, ensuring that your designs are not only professional, but also cohesive. By integrating these AI tools and plugins into your Figma workflow, you can speed up the design process and create more polished work with less effort. That's all for today. I hope you're excited to try out these AI tools in your next design project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.